What the heck are you doing out here?
43 truck.
I'm working a job site right there, man.
45.
Right down there. What are you doing down there? What are you doing in this thing?
I just came to get some lunch and sodas and whatnot for the guys.
What's your name?
Steve.
Steve? I can't have you driving up and down the street in this Skyjack. You're sitting on beer.
That's for after. I'm not drinking it now.
What about that beer there I saw you drinking coming out of the driveway?
49 dispatch.
Oh man, I was finishing that one was from earlier. That's
Steve, I can't have you driving down the road in a Skyjack drinking beer. Why don't you come on down and talk to me here for a minute? Let's figure this out.
Man, I gotta get back to work.
No, just come on down. We'll get this figured out and we'll get you back to work.
No.
Steve, come on down. Steve, come on down.
Come get me. How about that?
I'll tell you what, Steve, we can do this the easy way or we can do it the hard way.
Come on up.
The hard way, on the way to jail, we're going to stop by the hospital.
Oh, maybe I'll come down. Maybe I won't. Maybe I'll come down.
9097.
Maybe I won't.
Steve?
97.
Come get me.
Come on down. Just come on down. Let's work this out. Get you back to work.
Oh, man, why don't you just go on your way and I'll go on my way.
I'm giving you one more chance, Steve. Come on down the easy way.
I know my rights.
All right. You want to play it the hard way?
I pay your salary.
You want to play it the way?
I pay your salary. I pay your salary. How you like that?
Are you going to come down or are we going to bring you down, Steve?
Man, why don't you do your dangest?
Go ahead.
751.
What are you doing, man? I know my rights. I'm 2 blocks from my work.
Put that
site.
cigarette down.
247.
Put your cigarette down.
Female subject walking eastbound from a vehicle. KHP doesn't have anybody right now.
Want me to come in or you want to come over here?
Hey, whatever you got. Come on, man. I didn't. God dang it, dude.
Well, stop resisting. Stop resisting.
Got my beer now.
We could have did this the easy way, but no, you had to do it the hard way, so.
Oh, my boss. He said it was cool.
1019
Call
for
my
J1
boss down there.
for
That
275.
was cool. Come on, man. Man.
288 is the back.
I know my rights.